I'm Jeff Robinson, founder of the investmentanalyst.com. I've spent my career as an educator, an investor, and a managing director in investment banking. I was also a #1 ranked investment analyst for more than a decade. I built this platform so people can learn the craft the right way, with tested frameworks, real market scenarios, and the same tools analysts and investors use every day. The investmentanalyst.com was built to close the gap between conventional investment training and the real mechanics of the investment industry. Today, we work with leading institutions around the world, including Imperial College London and Durham University, training the next generation. We support sell-side teams at Bank of America and Jefferies, the investment professionals at the Qatari Investment Authority, and long-short analysts at Millennium. We also partner with leading long-only investors, including Fidelity and BNY Mellon, delivering the same depth of insight and analytical rigor across their global teams. InsightOne is our multi-award-winning EdTech app. It's built for anyone serious about developing enhanced investment analyst skills in a practical and accessible way. You get access to our conversational AI coach trained on my content, as well as access to 4,500 digital assets and more than 400 playlists. And with a hands-on trading simulation, you get an immersive path to learning how analysts and investors think, work, and analyze the markets. Activate your 30-day free trial of InsightOne today. Register at theinvestmentanalyst.com, then download the app from your store. Start your education now and learn the skills that build top-ranked analysts.